faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day, and of course I am in workout attire and heading to workout right now. My girl is installed and around here waiting for me. Babe is off to work in his office, mobile office. Tyler got work to do, so everybody is busy around here. Tyler gonna finish up his work until mama finish workout, because school is in session, is the last day of the week. So yeah, we have to get things done around here. Hope
tomorrow can play here and all the day and eat all day.
Because it's the
weekend.
Say morning to Faye. School. Say morning to Faves. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are staying blessed, staying loved, staying motivated, and is continuing to stay safe. Love you guys. I'll show you guys Sarah in a bit, and let's get workout done. So let's go look for the girl. Hopefully I can get a little run done this morning. Take green juice ready. Look at her mouth. Take time, Sarah. Take time. Look at her mouth. Look at your mouth. Look at your mouth. Look. Look there. Look at the face. Let them see your mouth. Look. She's looking for the cup. Look there. Look there. Good morning. You looking for it? God, Jesus. She loves green juice bad. She fighting me. Green juice this morning. Apple, celery, cucumber, ginger, and lemon. You love it. You love it. You want more? Alright, ma'am. No more. Pause. Take a break. Breathe. You guys, workout this morning was good. Not exactly how I would want to feel, but I got it done. It's better than doing nothing at all. Where you want to go? What you want? The green juice? Let's go to your brother.
Oh, not me.
Body's tired and ready for nap.
Not me.
Yes, the papa say you don't like the confinement thing. You just all up in your grill. Ready to go nap? Nap time. And teething worries. Alright. But it's lunchtime. It's lunchtime all around. Everybody's having lunch.
Mama,
And today,
school finished.
no, school don't finish. You're pausing. It's lunchtime and you're gonna take a nap soon. Today for lunch for Babe and I, we are gonna have tortillas. So I take this out and I'm going to use the mince that I have from yesterday. And that's gonna go with, for the filling, I'm gonna use avocado, some lettuce, and cheese. And that's gonna be lunch. So I'm gonna put Sarah down right now and I can come back and eat. Tell them, see you guys later. Later. Alright, you guys, there goes lunch. She looks so good. Yes. His and hers. You guys, I'm here straightening my hair. I have some time on my hands today. I'm using actually the straightening comb. This comb I bought a few months ago and I haven't got a chance to use it. So I'm trying to just run through the hair a bit. Detangling. And giving Tyler work. School is almost finished for today. Come and sit here. Alright, so Tyler did this activity just now. Explain to Faves what this activity was about. What you had to do.
I had
Come closer.
carafe.
Look and tell Faves what you had to do. What you had to do.
I had to craft the print of the animal, but I need to count how many and put the answer in the square that have the white.
Okay, so what is this? What is this animal?
Renard.
Erna is fox in English. How many fox prints do you see?
4.
And the answer is
4.
good job. Tick. What's this?
6.
That's a reindeer in English. How many reindeer prints do you see?
5.
Huh? Show me them. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. What's this?
It's square.
Very good. Tell him what is squirrel in French.
Squirrel in French is écureuil.
Very good. How many squirrel prints do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
The answer is
6.
good job. What is this?
Lapin.
Tala. What is lapa in English?
I don't remember.
Ra.
Lapin. Rabbit.
Very good. How many rabbit prints do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. So the answer is
6.
Bravo. What's this?
Falcon.
It's a falcon in English.
Oh.
How many falcon prints do you see?
2.
Very good. All right. What's this one?
Sangu.
What is that in English?
I don't know.
Hedgehog.
Oh, hedgehog.
How many hedgehog prints do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So the answer is
4.
bravo.
School school finished for today.
Wait, which other exercise did we do just now? Okay, we did this exercise just now. We're gonna tell Faith what is this exercise, and then school is finished for today. What did you do here? Explain to them what you did here.
Here, I need to find the animals and do an X on them that I already found to not count 2 times, and then I color in the circle the one that walk and the one that fly.
Very good. So how many did you find that fly?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, very good. How many did you find that walk?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where is 5?
Here.
That's an animal?
Yes.
Where?
Here.
What kind of animal is that? The hedgehog hiding?
Yeah.
I didn't even see it. Good job. Ring, 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 ring. School is over for today. Good job. Put your book up. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and continue finish straightening my hair while the kids go and play. Tyler, you need to go and have a snack. Sarah just had her bottle of milk. Have a snack. Popcorn again? My hair, and I didn't even get to show you guys before the moisture start hitting it, but your girl have a whole lot of hair. Yes, Tyler. You making Papa feel better?
Yeah.
I'm in the kitchen right now making dinner for the family, and it's I don't feel like cooking today. I like cook. So I am making ribs. Well, I made ribs. And it's gonna go with fries. That's as simple as I'm gonna get tonight. I forget to show you guys what the plate look like. So this is while we're eating right now, to give you guys an idea.
I don't know how to use this.
These things guys no